I'm gonna try a snack that we bought from the Asian supermarket. And I don't know what they're called, but this is what they look like. And they have little corns. They're individually wrapped and they have little corns.
Little corns.
And they feel like they could be Cheetos, but why would you do that? So I'm going to find out what they are, and I don't know if they're going to be good or not. Maybe I won't be able to open them. Uh-oh.
Well, the label says they're exquisite.
Yes. Oh, no. I can't open it. Ah, okay. It feels like a corn.
It's exquisite.
Okay. Alright. Let's see what it is. Is it a big Cheeto? It's green.
Cool.
Ooh. It looks like a Boyan cube. It does look like a Boyan cube. Oh god. I'm getting afraid. Okay, it smells good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like Captain Crunch.
Oh, right. It's exquisite.
It's good. It tastes like that seaweed stuff, kind of.
Like nori?
Yeah, nori. Nori and salt. It's good.
Is it exquisite?
Uh-huh. Now Mark's gonna taste it. Oh, you don't want to be on camera.
No.
So try these. They're exquisite.
It does. It tastes like a nori Captain Crunch Cheeto.
Yeah. I don't know why you would individually wrap. Maybe this is portion control.
Portion
people.
control.
This is why we're fat, because we don't have this.
And because we don't have...
It's good. I like them.
We don't have
Let's
nori...
unwrap them all.
And we don't have nori Captain Crunch Cheetos.
Okay. That's it. The end.